So much fun.
With mommy.
Yejun!
And Yejun, okay. Diba, kita nyo, hindi ako nag-aral at wala akong ginawa. Hello, good morning everyone, and welcome back to our very humble vlog. Today is May 5, 2024. Kamusta kayong lahat? Ano mga plano natin today? So, as a date, kasi magde-date kami ni Yejun, pupunta kami guys ng Tom Cameron Park. Tom Cameron Park is very close to our place. It's like about 5 to 6 minutes walk. Medyo mahaba kasi kasama ko tong batutang ito. The very, very cute little dinosaur. My little monster. The only one. Anyway guys, samahan nyo kami. It's mommy's day off today. Look at mom. So, tinanong ko pala si Yejun if it's a date or a play, and he said date. Grabe guys, teary-eyed ako kasi hindi ko alam kung paano niya naisip yun na date daw. So, I'm so happy. Pagod na yata maglakad. There, andun na si Yejun. Ang ganda ng panahon today guys, tignan nyo. Pero medyo chilly siya. It's 12 degrees currently. Andito na kami! Ang tagal namin hindi nakapunta dito guys. Because mom is always busy with other things. Si Yejun. Where do you wanna go?
Climb? You wanna go climb?
Yeah, oh yeah. Okay, we can go climb. Let's go climb. Come on, lead the way. You just found a stick. What are we gonna do with the stick, Junjun? Grandpa? Are you a grandpa? Grandpa, walk. Grandpa, you walk.
Growing.
Growing? What? Ang cute ni Jun. Jun, I like your Pokemon sweatshirt.
I like sand.
You like to stand. Sand? You like sand? Okay. You play with the sand then.
Then up on the sand. So dirty.
It's not dirty. It's alright.
It's alright.
Wow, it's amazing. What's the color of the sand?
It's white.
It's white, right? So, itong batuta, gusto niyang mag-climb. At yung Oreo na binigay ko ay itinapon. You shouldn't do that, okay? Go climb. Mommy's going. Go to the bridge. Walk. Naalala nyo guys, yung mga vlogs namin dati, lagi kami nandito. Ito kasi ay malapit na park sa amin. So parang nag-walk lang kami ni Yejun for like 5 to 6 minutes. Right, Jun? Oh, are you driving now?
Round and round.
Round and round.
On the back.
Round and round.
All through the
Town. Beep beep. Loko-loko to si Yejun guys. Tinulak niya ako sa slide kasi ayaw niya mag-slide. Andito yung slide oh. Ayan. So ako lang yung nag-slide. Jun, come here. Let's go slide now. Come. Come. Jun. Mommy's here. Where are you going? Going down?
Some dinosaurs have low.
Look. Ayan. Here. Lion. Ano you put this a lion? Look, lion. Roar. Imagination ni Yejun dinosaur yan. I'm pretty sure. See? Mom is always right. Dig a dig, 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 dig a dig, dino. Dino fossils. What do we have there? Huh? What's inside? Dig, dig, dig. It's a wood chip. It's a wood chip, June. Wood chip, 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 chip.
Can you see?
Can you see? What's inside?
It's a dinosaur.
Where's the dinosaur?
Yes.
Where? Ah, it's another piece of wood. Right? Oh, keep again. Keep. How to keep. Which one is that here? Dinosaur Discover. Oh, looks like this is Dinosaur Discover area. You try to play. Sit down on mommy's leg. Ready? That's it? Mommy? Slide with mommy. Get set, go! Your leg right this. We're gonna slide. Down here, mommy slide. Go!
No. How do you know?
What do you know?
I don't know.
What? See,
I don't know.
What?
I don't know.
Are we gonna slide again?
Go.
Go! Grabe ang exercise namin guys ni Yejun. Where's Yejun? Yejun's here! You say, hi friends! It's so much fun!
It's too much fun.
With mommy.
Yejun!
And Yejun, okay. Do you like your Pokemon? Look. Usuk, you show. Usuk, usuk, charanda. Run! Sabi ko magtakbo-takbo siya. Sabi niya, let's go dig dinosaurs daw. So, ayun, pinapunta ko sa sand ulit, guys. Ang ganda, guys, oh. Diba? Ang ganda talaga dito. Ayun na, bumalik ang batuta. Kasi magdidig daw siya. May isang baby, pero 1-year-old and a half pa lang. So, hindi pa rin talaga nakikipaglaro din. Uwian time, guys! Nag-enjoy na ang batuta. Tama na, napagod na ang nanay. So, kararating lang namin, guys, ni Yejun dito sa bahay kasi galing kami nga sa park. So, anyway, as I've promised, pakita ko sa inyo ang score ko sa PTE. At yan yon guys. So, I'm so happy. Diba? Kita nyo, hindi ako nag-aral at wala akong ginawa. I just have to find out kung paano yung way ng exam. Nakikita nyo nga, meron tayong perfect score sa speaking. Tapos yung the rest, may score naman. Hindi naman siya ganun kababa. Hindi naman siya ganun kataas. Pero, I'm pretty sure na nakuha ko yung mga ganung score is because of speaking. So, yung speaking kasi guys, parang ano siya, kapag okay, kapag may fluency ka, pronunciation, blah blah, ganon. So parang papasok din siya sa reading, meron din yan siya sa listening. So reading and listening, magkakaroon ka na kaagad ng score. Hindi naman ako magaling sa writing, so kahit ano lang, wala akong pattern, wala mga kung ano-ano. Yung asawa ko nung nag-take siya ng exam, may pattern siya sa writing. Anyway, yan yung score natin. And when it comes to speaking, isi-share ko guys kung paano yung ginawa ko sa next vlog, okay?